I always had this idea that in order to be an environmentalist, I needed to have everything perfect. Essentially, I need to not drive a car, not use any plastic, really live an unrealistic expectation. I live in suburbia, where it can take you anywhere from 20 minutes to get to the nearest anything, and I drive a car. I drive a Toyota Prius. It is a hybrid, but I still drive a car. And so my question is, what would it look like if I gave up driving for a season, a week, a month, X amount of time? What would it look like if I depended less on my car? I probably won't be able to get rid of my car completely because I do live not near things. But what would it look like if I explored different options and avenues? I knew I wanted an electric bicycle. Frankly, I'm not very athletic, and I thought I could use the assistance when going many miles. I went with the Vika Plus from a brand called Blix bike. Now, I chose this bike specifically for this reason. It is foldable. And it's pretty easy. I can do it myself, although it's a lot easier when you do it with two because it is a little bit heavy for me. But it's really simple. You can fold it up and take it with you. So if I wanted to go on a road trip one day, or if I decide to move, or if I need to go somewhere, I can bring the bike with me. You can use the discount code TheGirlGoneGreen to get $100 off a Blix bike. Day one was an adventure. I was really nervous to be on the bike. I thought I was gonna fall over. I thought I was gonna hurt myself because I have fallen on electric scooters many, many times. But I'm happy to announce that I have not fallen off the bike, knock on wood. I made it to the grocery store. Now, the nearest grocery store to me is a chain called Publix. It's very popular in Florida. I went inside to get some goods, but I realized one big thing. I did not have a lock or a chain to lock up my bike. And lesson learned, I ended up buying one right after this so that I can keep my bike safe. But it was actually really easy and surprised me how it didn't take a long time to go to the grocery store because I found all of these bike trails that I had never been on. Honestly, didn't even know they existed because they were there, they were paved, they were beautiful, and overall, an easy, successful grocery store trip.
Kids, wear your helmet.
Day two, I felt so much more comfortable on the bike, frankly, because I had a helmet on and I just kind of got used to the bike, and it can go pretty fast. I was going about 18 miles an hour at one point, which was very, very quick for me, but it was really easy because you have a pedal assistance where it just gives you a little boost as you pedal, or you can use a throttle and then it'll just ride without any pedaling. So if you get tired, you can use that, but it typically stuck to the pedal assistance. But as I continued to ride the bike throughout the week, I noticed that I was stopping and enjoying nature more. I was seeing sights that I never would have seen unless I was far away or riding my bike. Things that I normally don't notice when I'm in a car, plugged into music. I was seeing so much of the area and exploring more. And I don't know if you guys have seen, but my dog passed away, Bella. She's been featured in a lot of YouTube videos, and it was really, really hard, especially because I was used to walking her every afternoon, and now I didn't really have that. And so while I'm in quarantine, I'm not riding my bike to coffee shops or to go work with collaborations or speak at events or things, but rather the bike kind of served as a medium to keep me happy, to keep me going, to keep me motivated in a time that was frankly really hard to do. And I enjoyed riding. I enjoyed the freedom of it. I enjoyed how user-friendly it was, and I enjoyed just getting outside. So whether you are looking for a bike or just looking to get some time in nature, I highly recommend giving up your car for a bit and exploring what that might look like, whether it's a walk or rocking through nature in a forest bath